Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for March 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, Cancer, let's see what's up. Kaperahan ngayong March. Courage. Uy, maglalakas loob kayo. Maaring maglalakas loob na kayo na magnegosyo or mag-generate ng income. Pwedeng maglalakas loob na kayo na maghanap ng bagong work, or maglalakas loob ka na humingi ng increase sa yung boss. Oo. Oy, harvest. You are going to harvest your the results of your hard work. Yung mga pinagpaguran mo, pinaghirapan mo. Lalo na kung meron ka talagang tinanim. Syempre may aanihin pag may tinanim. Yung iba kasi gusto mabilisan. Na pagtanim, gusto nila kinabukasan magbubunga na. Hindi naman ganoon, 'di ba? So, it takes a lot of patience and also nurturing para pag-aalaga, no? Para makuha mo talaga yung resulta na gusto mo. Uy, 'di ba? Speaking of resulta na gusto mo, success. 'Di ba? Makaka-success ka. Oo. You're going to be successful in your career, in your business. Alam nyo, parang base sa lakas ng loob mo to eh. So, kung meron kang lakas ng loob, you are taking some risks, naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, nagtitiwala ka sa abilidad mo, then definitely, makukuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. Yes. O, claim nyo na yan. You're going to be successful. Yung ibang magandang magandang ani, kumbaga. Oo. Let's see your overall energy. Four of Pentacles. Overall energy nyo ay stability ng inyong finances. I think medyo kayo ngayon, maingat sa pera. Yung tipong hindi nyo hayaan na labas ng labas yung pera. Na kahit na may income kayo, hindi nyo gagastosan. And some of you are also focusing on saving, pag-iipon. You're saving money. Siguro yung iba sa inyo nagiging seryoso na kayo sa pag-handle ng finances nyo, na gusto nyo may makita kayong resulta eh. 'Di ba? Kaya yung iba gastos ng gastos kasi wala silang goal. Parang goal lang nila mag-spend ng money. Pero kung may goal ka na, ito gusto mo ma-achieve sa loob ng isang taon, o talagang pag-iipunan mo yan, 'di ba? Your challenge is the sun. Kasi ang the sun is also about courage, your energy, your beliefs, yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mo. So, as a challenge, may mga pagkakataon na pinanghihinaan ka ng loob, may mga pagkakataon na nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo, na kaya ko ba, ganyan, matitiis ko ba, yung mga ganun. But I feel like this is something na i-resolve mo or aayusin mo sa sarili mo, na alam mo yung kailangan, alam mo yung nire-require para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. And then your opportunity is the Justice card. So opportunity is bringing balance into your life. Na kapag meron kang ginagawa, hindi lang naman doon nakafocus yung sarili mo, no. Marami rin kasi tayong iba't ibang importanteng aspeto sa buhay na dapat lahat yan nabibigyan natin ng sapat na atensyon. So for some of you, you have the opportunity to bring balance and harmony in your life. And I think, no, syempre this is about your finances, your career, or your business. So pagdating sa kaperahan mo, babalik ulit yung kaayusan, yung balance na yung tipong may income tapos meron kang magagastos. Alam mo yun, may flow. Oo, may magandang flow sa yung finances. And yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong decision na gagawin related sa pera nyo. So, taking care of your finances is also a decision. Na decided ka na ba na talagang magiging disiplinado ka sa pag-save ng pera? Ganon. So, your blessing is the Strength card. Ang lakas ng Leo energy. So, maaring meron kayong Leo, strong Leo placements. But, Leo, it represents energy, it represents courage, and confidence. So, yung blessing mo is, meron kang lakas ng loob, tiwala sa sarili, na malagpasan yung challenges mo, lalo na kung may mga financial challenges ka, and you will remain successful dito sa tinatrabaho mo, dito sa inaasikaso mo. Okay, let's see what else. Cancer. Uy, may excitement, There's going to be an excitement or exciting news. Pwede exciting news or anything that is you are passionate about. Passionate ka dito sa trabaho na to. Very energetic ka rin. Parang merong punong-puno ka ng excitement, passion. Tapos you are attracting major changes in your career, in your finances. And it is going to happen very, very soon. You have the full control ng iyong kaperahan right now. Parang meron kang mabibingwit na goal mo. So, ibig sabihin yan, kung ano yung tina-target mo na makukuha mo, kung magpapatuloy yung excitement mo sa ginagawa mo. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, pag nawalan tayo ng gana, ng excitement, parang ang hirap na kumilos, hindi ka na inspired. So, you have to keep the fire burning, kumbaga, no? And para magawa mo 'yan, dapat gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, nag-e-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo. Let's see ano pa for Cancer. Okay. Uy, authority. Yung career mo daw ay may growth, umuunlad. Merong process ng upgrade. Meron ding opportunity for you to become an authority. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay magiging boss, kayo ay magiging supervisor, manager, magiging leader sa trabaho, sa career, or sa business that you have. And you also have assets. Meron kang mga investments. So, I think ito yung investment mo na makikita mo na yung resulta. Kumbaga, matagal na tong in-effortan mo. Tapos, ngayong March, ayan na. It's harvest time. And some of you, maaring papasok na talaga sa investment. This can be sa stock market, real estate. You are also good in promotions. So, maaring parang salesman energy to So, if you are into sales and marketing, this will bring in more success sa'yo kapag talagang isinapuso mo yung kailangan mong gawin. Example, yung mga, if familiar kayo sa TikTok, maraming mga naging successful na ngayon sa TikTok affiliate. Tinatry ko nga rin yan 'Diba? Extra income. So, yun. 'Diba? Na magaling kang magbenta. Magaling kang mangumbinse. So, use your talents and skills para mag-create ng income for you. The choice is clear for you now. Follow the wisdom and truth you feel in your heart. Oh, 'di ba? The choice is clear to you. So, ito yung opportunity na sinasabi ko sa inyo na may decision making kayo na gagawin. Malinaw na sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mo. Yung path, yung landas na tatahakin mo. You are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. Oh. You are learning. Oh, ang dami mo ng learnings. Reaching new heights, so ibig sabihin yan, meron kang na-achieve na pag-angat sa buhay mo. So, this can be promotion sa trabaho or anything that is improving your finances. Wow. Okay, so that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.